In this video, we are going to talk about another important feature of MS Excel, that how can you import data from a web page. In Excel, you can import data from different sources. There are multiple sources which are available. If you go to Data tab and click on this little button, that is Get Data, you will see that there are several options are there. You can import it from a different type of files, from different databases, all are available. But here in this particular tip, we are going to talk about one important one, that is from web page. If you click on it from web, you will get a pop-up. Here you can just type that URL from where you wanted to import the data. Normally, whenever we import data from a web page to Excel or to any other applications, we generally select the data in the web page and then we try to copy. So let us see first how we can do it normally. I just selected one web page and let me go to that web page and let's see how it looks like. You can see that this is an IMDb chart for the top 250 titles, and you can see everything is there, right? Picture is there, name is there, and the rating is also there. So if you wanted to copy from here, it will be very difficult. You just need to copy here and everything will get pasted in your Excel and it will be a cluttered one. But this can be done very easily using this particular method which I am going to show you. So let's select and copy this website address. So I copied it. Now coming back to Excel, let me click on Data tab, then Get Data, from other sources, then from web. Now in the next pop-up, I will just paste that link. In the URL, let me paste it and let me click on OK. After that, you can see that it's fetching the data, that information, actually initial information is fetching, and a new pop-up will come. Currently it's connecting. This depends on your internet connection speed and the amount of data you are pulling and the kind of website you are accessing. For your cases, it may take longer time, it may take shorter time also. So you need to wait till the time this particular options will get populated. Okay, this is done now, and Excel pulled the data from that website. If you see in the left pane, there are two options. One is the document, second one is the table 0. So Excel automatically identified there is one table. If we select on that, you can see yes, this particular data set is already pulled out. In this particular column, you can see the movie name and then is that IMDb rating. So let us click on load. Currently, you can see that it's pulling out the data, external data, getting data, and you can see that in the right part of the page, the query is running and it's loading the data for table 0. And the two queries are available, so it's executing the second one which we selected. Excel is working in the background to pull the data from website. In the status bar also, you can still see that running background query. Click here to cancel, that option is also visible. Now this data has been fetched and you can see it's imported the table from website and pasted it in the Excel as a table. Sometime we may need to do some of the cleanup, but that is absolutely fine, because if you just do a copy paste from website, those data comes in a very scattered way and it's very difficult to format as per your requirement. So now you can see this particular data is there. Maybe we can delete this last two column and the first one, and yes, we have a clean data now, that movie name and IMDb rating. So this is the way you can import data from website, and this is a very useful feature of Excel, and it does the job very clean and neat way. You can see it imported the data and formatted it as a table, and that's the beauty of this particular feature.